final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear, and I'll state my case, which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway, and much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again too few to mention. And I did what I had to do, and I saw them through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up, I spit it out, faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've learned, I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, no, not me, I did it my way. What is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my